We're making paprika and honey-glazed salmon. It's an impressive dish that's surprisingly easy to make, and I'm also going to show you how to make perfect roast salmon every time. Okay, so to make our salmon glaze, we're going to use smoked paprika, honey and extra virgin olive oil. We're just going to combine them in a bowl and then coat the salmon in the mix. We've just got a tray lined with baking paper, our beautiful piece of salmon fillet, skinless, and I just do this with my hands. You want to really coat the salmon in the glaze. It gets a little bit messy. So once your salmon is coated in the glaze, we're going to season with salt flakes because you want that nice sweet and salty contrast. And then we're going to place in a 200-degree oven. We're going to cook this salmon for 15 minutes for medium and then take it out of the oven and rest it for 5 minutes before serving. Okay, so now we're going to make our salad. We're going to use a mandolin to thinly slice the zucchini, and make sure you use a guard. And now I'm just going to add my peas, which I've just poured a kettle of boiling water over them and then run them under cold water. So just a quick blanch and refresh. Then we're just going to add our cooked freekeh, which we've cooled completely. Stir the salad ingredients to combine and then set aside. So now we're going to make our crispy garlic to garnish the salad. So thinly slice your garlic, and we're just going to add the garlic to sunflower oil, which is over medium-high heat. Give that a little stir, and you want to cook the garlic until it's really nice and crispy and golden. So we'll just remove using a slotted spoon and drain on paper towel. For the lime and sour cream dressing, we're just going to whisk everything together in a bowl. So we have the juice of 1 lime, extra virgin olive oil, and some cold water. And then season that really well. So now we'll just toss the salad with the dressing and add some dill sprigs to finish. To serve, we'll layer the salad at the bottom of your dish. And you can use a platter or a serving bowl for this. So here's our salmon that we've already rested. So just like for the perfect steak, you rest the salmon so that all the juice relaxes back into the flesh, and spoon some of those juices over the top. You don't want that going to waste. And finally, our garlic chips and some dill sprigs. This glazed salmon is both festive and summery and perfect for a midweek dinner party. For more great recipes like this, go to delicious.com.au.